Hello and welcome to 27 Fox Place. Today is day 2 of my weekly cleaning routine. This is the day that I dedicate to vacuuming the house. I will go over the floors and carpets and the upholstery as well. But with 2 dogs constantly tracking in debris from outside, I definitely end up vacuuming the high traffic areas more than once a week. I always find tennis balls when I'm cleaning the floors. My dog Callie likes to carry them in the house with her and they end up getting kicked under the furniture. I know that the longer I go between vacuuming, the more tennis balls I find. How many tennis balls can you spot in this video? I always try to get as much done as I can in the morning. But if I'm running short on time, I will still try and finish as much as I can in the time that I have. This way, I'm more likely to finish later in the evening. And if I don't pick up where I left off that day, then at least I managed to get something done. I also like to go over all of the upholstered furnishings. This isn't the type of vacuuming I would do for a deep clean. I just want to vacuum the areas where the dogs brush up against the furniture. Because it's the one thing that doesn't get the same attention as the floors and carpets, if I don't have a lot of time, then this is the area that I will focus, because I'm more likely to let it go until the following week if I don't. Completing one task for the entire house this way saves time because I don't have to interrupt my momentum by switching between tasks. The vacuum I'm using is a Dyson V11. I love having this cordless vacuum because it's so much nicer not to have to deal with dragging around a cord. I can make it through my whole house on a single charge, but I would prefer the ability to swap out the battery for longer cleaning times. Vacuuming under the furniture is an area I might leave until the next time I vacuum. It doesn't really need to be done every week, but if I have the time, I make sure to take care of it. That's all for now, and thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and when you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video.